How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the Cash Investors. In today's video, I'm going to talk about NIO, what happened during the week. Of course, I'm going to give you my opinion regard to NIO share price. Though I don't like to talk about that much about share price, but anyways, going to give you my opinion. Of course, going to give you my expectation towards the company, and of course, the biggest news that we had during the week. My name is Nelson Kayanga, and this is the Cashless Investors.
All I hear, go get the money. So I go get it.
All right, guys. So we started the week. Well, I don't like to talk about share price because it has been painful lately. But anyways, we started the week trading at around $6 per shares. I honestly thought that we would pick up the trend and continue with the run, the positive run. But of course, we ended up the week trading at about $5.5 per shares. The reason that I don't like to talk about near share price, it is honestly because the current price does not reflect the value of the company. And in the previous video, I explained the difference between value and price. And of course, Warren Buffett also talks a lot about value and price. As of right now, the share price is not reflecting the value of the company. But why is that? One of the reasons is what exactly happened during the week. Yeah, so NIO delivered, NIO reached about 30 million cumulative barter swaps. Okay, I mean, this is a technology that Tesla once believed that it was not feasible, it was not scalable. But guess where we are, man? We doing more than 30. I mean, we did more than 40 swaps. It's cumulative, yeah, 40 swaps. Um, so that really doesn't show any trend of not scalability. Yeah, it's scaling and it's scaling fast because the first 10 million took about 4 years. Yeah, it was about 1500 days. The second 10 million took about 270 days. The third 10 million took about 6 months. Yeah, 180 days. And the fourth 10th took less than 3 months, or less than 6 months. Of course, it was about 5 months. So that negative trend with time is very positive for us because it's showing that, I mean, acceptance rate is increasing towards barter swaps. Of course, there are also other variables that we need to include: the number of cars that are able to swap. Yeah, as of now, right now, they are only accounting for NIO swaps. Yeah, and we know that NIO signed different agreements with car manufacturers, but as right now, it is only NIO. Of course, the numbers of cars right now is much bigger than what it was 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah, so we expect the numbers to continue to grow, the number of swaps cumulative, of course, to continue to grow. And of course, the trend in time, it is going to continue declining because there are going to be more cars available that are going to be able to swap. You're talking about more cars, man. NIO also unveiled, I mean, we have seen pictures, of course, although not official yet, but we have seen pictures of how the Envo is going to look like. The Envo is a car that is targeting directly Tesla's Model Y. And the biggest difference between Tesla's Model Y and the Envo that is coming, though I believe Envo is going to be more techy than what Model Y is currently showing to its users, it is the fact that it's going to be able to swap. I mean, Tesla doesn't swap. Envo is going to be able to swap. Of course, in terms of share price, is going to be selling at lower price, about 10% less than what Model Y is currently selling at. So the only advantage that Model Y has, it is that it has already been tested by customers. So Envo is still something new for the customers. But of course, knowing the product that NIO does and the quality they offer, I'm very confident that people are going to buy. And of course, that is the model that is going to destroy Tesla. So they better watch out. Yeah, a reminder that this car is able to swap. Swapping is a technology that a lot of people don't really talk about that much. They just talk about in terms of time it takes to swap, but they forgot about the power grid. Yeah, barter swap station is helping the power grid, and we have seen the agreement that they have made in Germany, I believe, and of course in China with a big energy company there. Yeah, so the power swap is going to help the grid, of course, not only consuming but giving back to the grid, which is very, very good. So NIO is not only an EV company. I repeat, is not only a navy company, but it's an energy company, a company that is challenging the status quo. So share price is going to follow eventually. I'm very confident. It takes time. It takes time to see rewards when you invest in a growth company. Of course, it takes huevos. It takes balls. Yeah. So, anyways, patience is key here, right? So, guys, if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Of course, let's remain patient, believe in what the company is doing. Of course, we expect that the trend of share price is going to switch and a lot of bears are going to cry. Right, guys, see you guys in the next video.